Today I'm gonna do my face outline. It's gonna be really cool, but okay, so let's try to do this without making a mistake.
Kahit mahirap, kailangan ko magtiis. Bakit ang bagal ng production ngayon? Sir, dahil sa dalawang yan. Kayo na naman.
Guys, I don't know how much chances I have to do to make this video. I've been making like
Keep Dito ako ang masusunod. Matagal na ba siyang
keep
ganyan?
making videos
Matagal na. Kuya
be-
Sebastian, umuwi ka na.
again keep deleting them because my head outline is not perfect. Literally, my head outline is so not perfect because like really hard for me because I'm a kid.
Sino may gawa nito? Walang pang-aamin ha? Anong nangyari dito? Sir, nakita namin si MJ kagabi malapit dyan. Baka siya ang may kasalanan. Si MJ, sigurado kayo? Opo, siya lang ang nakita namin. Hindi po ako yun. May saksi laban sa'yo. Sir, hindi ko po ginawa yan. Parang masyado naman kayo
Oh
mabisyo
my
siya.
god, my arm is so bad.
Huwag kang makialam.
Going for the
Hayaan mo lang.
eyebrow.
Mas lalo lang lalala.
Eyebrow.
Suspended ka ng 3 araw, MJ. This will serve you a lesson. Sir, paano ko yun?
The face is the hardest part,
Sobra na ito.
especially the nose.
Kontrato. Henry, may kailangan akong ipaimbestiga.
This looks so disgusting.
Ano po yun, sir? Search all the records of Manager John. May hinala po ba kayo? Oo. I know something more is happening here.
Okay, let's do some coloring. Oh my gosh, only two. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna do the eyes because they look so bad. Uh,
Hindi maaari. Si John ang isa sa pinaka-pinagkakatiwalaan kong manager. Kuya Sebastian,
also, let's just fix the nose.
naisip lang ako.
Don't mind the nose, guys.
Minsan gusto ko na magreklamo. Pero natatakot ako
And just do the hair. If the hair is the most beautiful one.